thing. I had her leash in my
Couldn't
hand.
see it.
She went for a lunge out the window.
Another one that's kind of. I may need to go 4 low. Probably. Alright, we're going across the river. Bring the water. So right after that little crossing, there was this nice little flat area here in the sun. So we're gonna stop, break out the camp stove, make some quesadillas, and enjoy the creek rolling by here. It's really nice. In just a couple minutes, I just took some sliced roast beef, carbon steel pan on the tailgate here. Roll that around a little bit. Thanks to Richard Harden for sending me this knife. Little camping knife, little tiny chef knife. Really handy for out here on the side of the bank of the creek. Beautiful day here in North Georgia. 60 sunny. I'm gonna make up these quesadillas real quick. Get a little brown on this roast beef. Here's the Bella. Right under my feet. Still got a jacket on because it's cold. Alright, so we got our roast beef and cheese quesadilla going on the skillet. Crisping up the cheese that's fell in the pan. Now all we gotta do is maybe get a camera person to hold the camera so I can hold the skillet. Flip it. Just like that. Get all the cheese nice and melty. Alright, they're easy enough to make. So there you go, roadside beef quesadilla with fresh salsa. How's it look?
Okay. Here's yours.
Second one coming off. So guys, highly recommend the tailgate quesadillas right there on the camp stove. Took no time to do. We actually made seconds, and we're going to be back on the trail already packed up. Throw that cooler back in and put the dog back in, and we're going to go back on the Georgia Traverse.